This 2022 Jayco North Point 310RLTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 36 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, water heater, microwave, skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, slide out, auxiliary battery, oven, TV, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco North Point 310 RLTS is 12,180 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.